I'm Simon Type. I'm currently the head here at Park Lane in Aberdeen. Yeah, I think obviously in terms of our provision as a school, working in line with the local authority, we wanted to improve our site. The site is very, very small and compact, so there was a number of issues originally. We earmarked 3 possible sites for the new outside classrooms. 2 were deemed not really appropriate, but working in partnership with Wernick, they suggested this outdoor area here where we're able to cut into the bank. And what it's done for us is it's given us a more appropriate environment which is accessible for 4 classes now, not just for the 2 new classes. We've got 3 classes this side of the building, plus we've got the 2 new classes which will all be accessing this outdoor yard in terms of the canopy and obviously the soft play area for us moving forward. So in terms of provision, it's just offered us more of a holistic provision for pupils already at Park Lane.